Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a word that's packed with meaning and energy: bomb. Bomb is a B1 level noun that refers to an explosive weapon designed to cause destruction or damage. It's a powerful word that's used in various ways, both literally and figuratively, so let's break it down. In its most direct sense, a bomb is a device used in warfare or other situations to explode and cause harm. For example, the military discovered a bomb in the abandoned building. Beyond its literal meaning, bomb can also be used informally to describe something that is a complete failure, as in, the movie was a bomb at the box office. Some synonyms for bomb include explosive, detonation, and missile, depending on the context. For example, the engineers defused the explosive just in time. In the informal sense, synonyms could include flop or failure, like in, her first attempt at baking was a total flop. On the flip side, antonyms for bomb might include success or achievement when referring to its informal usage. For instance, his performance was a huge success and received a standing ovation. If we're speaking literally, peace or stability could serve as antonyms, as in, the treaty brought peace to the region. In everyday life, you might encounter the word bomb in a variety of contexts. You could hear it in news reports about global events, in discussions about history, or even in casual conversation when describing something that didn't go as planned. For example, I tried making a new recipe, but it was a total bomb. Or, the fireworks show ended with a massive bomb lighting up the sky. Here are a couple more examples to help you understand how bomb can be used. The old movie was so bad, it completely bombed in theaters. Or, during the drill, the team practiced how to safely handle a bomb threat. So, to wrap things up, we've explored the word bomb, learned its definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in everyday life. Whether it's describing something explosive or a situation that didn't go as planned, bomb is a word that carries a lot of weight. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using the word bomb and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.